Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable the smart bar in your Oppo A16. It's something like that. There is something on the right side here, and as you see we have utility tools. You can add it more if you wish, but how you can enable it, because on the standard you don't have the smart bar here. Yep. So go to the settings here, go down to the convenient tools here, and there is a smart bar slider. So in the standard you got to disable it, and you don't have any smart bar here, but you can enable it and your smart bar gonna be here. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey,